Say goodbye to yellow teeth. Have white, clean, and carefree teeth with a few ingredients everyone has at home. Today, I'm going to show you a wonderful tip that, besides cleaning, will help whiten your teeth and keep them clean and healthy. Our main ingredient will be cinnamon powder. That's it. Cinnamon has many benefits and properties that help oral health. It is antiseptic, bactericidal, antiparasitic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. According to studies, cinnamon helps fight bacteria that cause oral infections and cavities. Knowing this, cinnamon is ideal for fighting bad breath and taking care of oral health at any age. Place a small spoonful of cinnamon in a container. Next, we're going to need toothpaste. I'm using this one here, but you can use whatever you have at home. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of toothpaste. Then, mix very well. The combination of these 2 ingredients creates a powerful mixture. Cinnamon has an antibacterial effect and provides long-lasting fresh breath, strengthening the calcium that protects your teeth from cavities. Once it reaches this paste-like consistency, we will add a spoonful of filtered water. Then, mix it a bit more. This will help to create the perfect consistency for brushing. And now our mixture is ready. All you need to do now is get a good quality toothbrush. Dip it in the mixture, and then brush your teeth for 2 minutes. And from the first time you use it, you'll notice great results. You'll feel fresh breath for longer. You'll also notice that your teeth are whiter. And the main thing is that it will prevent the formation of tartar, greatly reducing the appearance of cavities. We all know that brushing your teeth well is essential to maintain your oral health, to prevent food debris from accumulating and attracting bacteria in your mouth, leading to the formation of tartar, bad breath, and yellowing of the teeth. Repeat this process no more than twice a week, and you're sure to love the results. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video.